ladies, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So Derm Store sent me a product in order to try it and review. And I wanted to share it with you today because I am excited about it. I think it's a great idea. And it's called the Pmd Personal Microdermabrasion device. And this is the box that it comes in. This is a microdermabrasion device, a handheld device that you can use at home. So for those of you who go to an esthetician to have microdermabrasion done, this is a wonderful solution, an at-home solution for you to do on your own. So in today's video, I'm going to explain it to you, explain what it does, why I like it, and then also how to use it. I'm going to do a little demo. Okay, I'm going to take my makeup off. It's going to be great. Before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com and please hit the subscribe button so I can continue to make great content here on YouTube. Let's get going. So I am a licensed esthetician and I have been getting microdermabrasion done at a spa by another esthetician for years. And I would say within the first year of having microdermabrasion done on my skin, I would say it took 10 years off my face. I am now I'm 75. So I'm 55. I just added 20 years for kicks. So I'm 55 now, and I can say when I started doing it, I was probably in my mid to late 40s, and it was startling, the difference getting microdermabrasion. I'm a huge fan of it. I recommend it to many of my clients and on-camera talent that I deal with every day. So when Derm Store sent me this device, I was very excited about it because I've wanted to try a home microdermabrasion device for quite some time, but just haven't gone out and bought one. So the fact that they sent this to me was really awesome. And I am a firm believer in them for many reasons, and we're going to get to that. But it looks like this. And one of the reasons I'm very excited to be able to do this at home, as opposed to going in to an esthetician, is that, an esthetician doing this costs around between $100 and $150, depending on where you live, or even higher to use one of their machines. Now you can go there and do that once a month. So that's a once a month thing. This is a once a week thing that you do on your own. And really, once you purchase the product, it really is, pretty much cost free besides buying new discs. And these are what you use in order to exfoliate your skin. And I think you need a new disc every 3 weeks. It's about $20 a month. Very, very low cost compared to going into an esthetician for that much higher cost. And you see dramatic differences using the at-home device. So I think there's so many pluses to doing this. So this is what the device looks like. You turn it on here. Oh, it's very loud. So how this works is it's an exfoliator. So it exfoliates the dead skin cells off of the top layer of your skin, and it activates skin cells to rejuvenate themselves. And so you're left with a complexion that is much brighter. The dead skin is being removed. It helps to diminish fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to diminish things like age spots. It also helps with things like scarring from maybe acne when you were younger, or maybe you've got adult onset acne and you have some scarring. It can make a huge difference for that. And then once you put your makeup on, you notice how much smoother your skin is, how much clearer it is, how much more even the tone. So microdermabrasion is fantastic. It really works. It is a kind of like a magic cure-all for so many different things. But again, it can be pricey. So having it at home one is like major bonus. Alright, it achieves that by using a vacuum suction. So you use these discs, and I'll show you them and I'll show you how they work in a minute, and you move it across the skin very quickly, and it takes away that top layer of dead skin, and you can actually see some lines in your face, and what that is, it's the dead skin coming up. It's really kind of crazy, right? But the vacuum suction kind of vacuums things up and gets rid of them with the microdermabrasion machine. So that's how it works. It's very, very easy to use. It takes 3 minutes. So it's 3 minutes once a week. Hello, so easy. Okay, so the discs that it comes with look like this. And there's two different types. There's this one, which is a larger one, and then the same exact color in a smaller one. So the different colors denote a different level of intensity. The size denotes where you're working on your face. So for example, if I'm going to use the larger one, it's going to be with the bigger parts of my face. If I'm going to use the smaller one, it's going to be like on my nose or areas where I really want to get in and work on the skin, because these are crevices can be very difficult to get to when you're using a machine like this. When you first get started, it's really important to do a trial run using the white one. The white one is basically just so you can learn what you're doing. And I do recommend you start at the beginning and you work your way up to the harder ones. The most intense one are these kind of maroony colored ones. So I would leave this until after you've been doing this for a while and your skin has gotten used to it. If you go too intense too soon, it can make your skin have red marks and just not look good and not be good for your skin. It's not good to jump in, whole hog on something like this. Now, mind you, that is exactly my character. I jump in whole hog on just about anything, but I did listen to what the directions said and I did, go, not with this one. I did the gray. You're supposed to start with the gray. I also wanted to show you that on the inside of the cover of the package that it comes in, it explains it in great detail. So if I'm overwhelming you, just go look at this. It's wonderful. Very clearly laid out exactly what everything is. Okay, you also have two attachments. One is much bigger, one is much smaller. Obviously, the bigger one goes with the larger disc and the smaller one goes with the smaller disc. That's how those work. To attach the disc, it's really easy. You just put it on there, click it into place, and I'm going to use the big one. So I'm just going to attach that. Okay, so I'm going to go wash my face, come back and show you exactly how to use this product. Okay, ladies, so I've already cleansed my face with the Foreo Luna 3 cleanser, which is really cool. This is also on Derm Store, which it does a great job of cleaning and, getting really all the dirt removed and everything. I love this. All right, so now I have my microdermabrasion machine. You turn it on, very simple, and you just start using it. Ooh, it really suctions. So you got to use very quickly and just go across your face. Tighten your skin a little bit. See, it can make it a little red because it's really working. Okay, so I'm finished, and as you can see, my skin is very red. And I think depending on the level of sensitivity of your skin, you would determine when you want to use this. So I wouldn't use this if you're going to do what I did and have super red face. Like, I don't want to go out now, right? And go out on the town or something. Maybe over the weekend when you don't have plans the next day. Depending on your skin is how long this is going to stay red. For those of us with a little bit more sensitive skin, it might stay red a lot longer. So that's why I think it's a good idea to try it first with the white disc and then use the gray and really gradually work your way up, because this is the gray one. This is the beginner level, and this is what it did. And I get microdermabrasion all the time. So you can just see, yeah, I'm starting to go down a little bit now. But in any case, it really does work. And it definitely, you can see the streaks on my face. So where that dead skin came off, you can see it. So that's how powerful these are and how much they work. Okay, well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please write down below. I do think this is a great idea to keep you out of paying for an esthetician every month and just do it yourself once a week for 3 minutes. Very, very simple, very effective. And the long-term effects of this on your skin are undeniable. It does take a few weeks in order to see results. You're not going to see results in the next day. And that's true also if you go to a spa. It does take a little while, but the long-term effects are you will see your fine lines and wrinkles becoming much more minimized. You will see your skin looking brighter and fresher, and your, age spots diminishing and acne scarring, things like that. Those are the differences that you see over the long haul, which I think makes these type of things, this type of device, really wonderful and, a great investment if you want to take your skin to the next level. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.